If you just finished watching my vlog tour on Ranchlands, you're going to understand why this community is a must for anybody who is looking to move into Northwest Calgary. You have to put Ranchlands on your search. If you are still not convinced, in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why Ranchlands must be on your search if you're looking at moving into Northwest Calgary, or if you're relocating to Calgary and you want to have a great community that's affordable. Ranchlands has to be on your list. Look, if this is your first time to the channel, we help people just like you buy, sell, and relocate to Calgary every single day. Hey, my name is Charmaine and I'm with the Living in YYC Real Estate Group. Whether you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 90, make sure you subscribe to our channel, tap the bell for notifications, so you too can be the first to get the latest information on all there is to know about the market trends and real estate in and around Calgary. And if you have any questions at all about what life is like in Calgary, or you just want to chat about real estate, make sure you reach out. All of our contact information is in the text box below. Me and my team, we are here and we would love to hear from you. Let's jump into the top 5 reasons why Ranchlands must be on your search list for when you're looking for that new community in Northwest Calgary. When anybody is looking to make a move, whether you're about to jump into the housing market or if you are upsizing or downsizing, affordability is always the #1 issue for when you're looking to make that move. And that is our #1 reason why you need to look at Ranchlands: affordability. The average home price in 2024 was $554,000. The highest home that sold all of last year was $950,000. The lowest was $255,000. That, for one, the average home price for in Calgary was at that $750,000, $760,000 range. Ranchlands, for what you get and the value and the size of the lots that are here, that is well within most people's budgets when they're looking at making a move or jumping into the market. Let's talk about accessibility. For everybody who's a first-time home buyer, Ranchlands is that community that will help you get into the market. This is why affordability is the #1 reason we absolutely love Ranchlands. Once you've made the decision to either jump into the market and purchase your first home, or you're looking to relocate either into a new city across the country or even just across the city, and in Calgary, maybe you're just hopping over into a new community. From affordability, the next thing my buyers always say to me: location, location, location. Location is key for so many things, for work, for play, for just proximity to maybe the mountains. Where Ranchlands is located in Northwest Calgary is just off of John Laurie Boulevard and Nose Hill Drive. It is central to the far pocket of the northwest corner. It's right beside Crowfoot Shopping Center. It's 15 minutes to downtown Calgary. It's an hour to Banff. For everything that this community offers, when you pair that with affordability, Ranchlands is the community for what you get for in your home, for your lot size, for the amenities. There is no other community that gives you all of that and the location at the affordable price. And this is why location is our #2 on our list of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. Whenever a family is looking to make a move into a new community, or they're just jumping into the market, they also want to know amenities. What is there to offer to me? Or maybe you're just about to start a family. Is there schools in the area? So coming in at #3 is a tie for amenities and schools. We have 2 elementary schools right here in the community, one that serves the public system and one that serves the Catholic system. So for your kids in K-6, you will be covered here right in the community. And if we talk about childcare, there is tons of childcare, right from infant stage all the way up to before and after school care for those grade 6 students who still don't want to go home by themselves, and parents feel secure knowing that they can go somewhere. There are so many options in Ranchlands, more than I've seen in any other community that we've highlighted. And then the amenities. So not only in the community itself, from the outdoor rink to the basketball courts to the tennis courts, the amount of nature trails that we have here. Melcor YMCA is right across Nose Hill Drive. It's 1 to 2 minute walk from Ranchlands. And then you have the Shane Holmes YMCA, which is 5-10 minutes down the road. So 2 major YMCAs right beside Ranchlands. Canada Olympic Park is 10 minutes south of here. with so many amenities that are in and surrounding the community, and with the schools that are right here, it is so easy to show why this is number 3 of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. If you love taking nature walks or coming home after a hard workday and just immersing yourself in nature, well, Ranchlands is for you. And this is why pathways and natural hiking paths are as number 4 on our list of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. Throughout the entire community, you will find so many pathways and walkways that are immersed in nature. Like the one that I am on right now, John Laurie Boulevard is just maybe 500 yards away from where we are right now, and I am surrounded by nature. And this is typical of what the natural pathways are like in Ranchlands, and they are all over the place. Most of them are off-leash areas, so if you have a pup, you can bring them here. And again, after a hard day's work, you come here and you walk through nature, you decompress, let all the stress of the day go away. That is why we absolutely love Ranchlands. When you're looking to make a move into a new community and you want friendliness and openness and just people who will smile and stop and say hello, or when they're walking past, just say good morning, then Ranchlands is absolutely for you. This is why the people of Ranchlands are number 5 on our list of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. When I was out making my video to show you guys of Ranchlands, I had so many people come up and stop, ask what I was doing. They were curious more than anything. Everybody was so friendly, and just driving around, looking at the different home types that are in Ranchlands, it's just a mix of everything. I mentioned this in my vlog, but I'll say it again and really emphasize this. There's no pretension in Ranchlands. It's such a breath of fresh air. Everybody just is so laid back and they're friendly. Not that that's not Calgary, but there was just a different feeling and a different vibe in this community. Just even this morning while I'm doing my top 5 reasons of why we love Ranchlands, so many people have stopped and said hello. I've come across so many people while I'm walking, and so many pups too. It is such a friendly community. And this is why, if you're looking for that community that has that feeling, you absolutely have to check out Ranchlands. And it's why the people are number 5 on our list of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. Our list would not be complete if I didn't give a couple of honorable mentions to shopping and transportation. Within the community, there are so many small little strip malls, and there's mom and pop diners and restaurants, there's confectionery stores, there are medical offices all over the place. So naturopath, there's medi stops, chiropractors, yoga, there's a spa, even a spa for your dogs that's in Ranchlands, which makes sense given how many dogs I've run into today. There is so much shopping right in the community, but if you're looking for the major grocery shopping, you're 1 minute away to Crowfoot Crossing, which has all of your major grocery stores, your high-end restaurants, your brew pubs. There's enough shopping at Crowfoot Crossing where between the little strip malls that are in the community of Ranchlands and for what Crowfoot has, you don't need anything else. But if you do have to go further, Costco is about 5-10 minutes away in Beacon Hill. Right up Sarcee Trail is Superstore, and Market Mall is 15 minutes away. So there is a ton of shopping in and around Ranchlands, maximum 15 minutes away. The other honorable mention that we have to give a shout out to is transportation. Crowfoot Crossing C train is 1 to 2 minutes away. So if you don't want to drive over and park, you're close enough that you could walk over in the morning, hop on the train, and be downtown at your office, if that's where you work, within 20 minutes to half an hour. And not only that, all of the major bus routes come through Ranchlands. So if you don't have a car, Ranchlands is easily accessible by transportation to get anywhere in the city. And let's not forget about the airport. It is 20 minutes north of Ranchlands. So if you're looking to pack your bags and head off to the beaches of Mexico, you're 20 minutes to the gate, and then you hop on your plane and then away you go. So there you have it. I could go on and on with so many other reasons why we love Ranchlands. I hope my top 5 list with my honorable mentions give you enough reason to at least check out the community or add it to your search, because if you are looking at making a move to Northwest Calgary, I really encourage you to have a look at Ranchlands. Or if you're in Calgary, do yourself a favor. If you've never been here before, come and just do a drive-by. Come and park and take one of the nature walks. Explore what I've shown you in this video for yourself. I promise you, you too will fall in love with Ranchlands. And if you want to continue the conversation of Ranchlands, or if you would like me to come and show you around the community, perhaps take a look at a few homes, please reach out. Me and my team, we would love to hear from you, and we would love to talk to you about all of the possibilities that Ranchlands has to offer. If you are looking to make a move in the next 9 to 90 days, make sure you subscribe to our channel and tap the bell for notification so you too can be the first to get the latest real estate information and information on what life is like living in Calgary. Thank you so much for watching our top 5 reasons of why we absolutely love Ranchlands. And until next time, I will see you around town.